In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record supplier discounts in QuickBooks Online. Supplier discounts, like early payment discounts, are a great way to save money, but they only help you properly if they're recorded correctly in your books. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple workflow you can use every time you receive a discount from a supplier, so your expenses and reports stay accurate and easy to understand. First, we're going to make sure you have a specific account set up to track these discounts. In QuickBooks Online, go to the Settings icon, then choose Chart of Accounts. This is the list of all the accounts your business uses, such as income, expenses, and assets. Here, click to add a new account. For the account type, choose Expense, because discounts from suppliers effectively reduce your expenses. Give the account a clear name, something like Discounts Taken or Early Payment Discounts. Use a name that will make immediate sense to you or your accountant when you look at your reports later. Once you're happy with the name, go ahead and save the account. You only need to do this setup once. After that, you'll be able to reuse it every time you record a supplier discount. Next, let's record the actual discount from the supplier as a vendor credit. From the main QuickBooks screen, click the New button and then select Vendor Credit. This form tells QuickBooks that your supplier is effectively reducing what you owe them. Choose the correct vendor from the vendor dropdown, making sure it matches the supplier on the original bill. In the category column, select the discount account you just created, such as Discounts Taken. This links the value of the discount to that expense account, so it shows up correctly on your profit and loss report. Then, in the amount field, enter the exact value of the discount you received, for example, the early payment discount amount offered on the bill. Double-check that the amount matches the terms on the invoice or the agreement with your supplier. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. Finally, we'll apply that vendor credit when you pay the bill. Again, click New, and this time, choose Pay Bills. Find the bill from that same vendor in the list. When you select the bill, QuickBooks will look for any available vendor credits from that supplier. In many cases, it will apply the credit automatically. If it doesn't, look for an option like Set Credits, click it, and choose the vendor credit you just created. Once the credit is applied, you'll see the bill's balance reduced by the discount amount. You can then pay the remaining amount due, knowing your discount has been recorded properly.